Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y200i. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.72 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. Approximately 91.48% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 4 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.95 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB of dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 7.99 mm, and it weights around 199 grams, and the color options Glacier White, Starry Night Black, blue colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP64 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y200i has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,599 Chinese yuan, and around $221 and 61,999 Pakistani rupees, and 18,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, and around $248 and 68,999 Pakistani rupees, and 20,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, and around $276 and 76,999 Pakistani rupees, and 22,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y200i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.